Does time itself have a beginning or an end? It's a question that has puzzled philosophers, scientists, and stargazers for centuries. As we gaze up at the night sky, we can't help but wonder about the nature of time itself. Is it an eternal constant, stretching infinitely into the past and future? Or is it a finite entity with a definite start and end point? To truly grasp the concept of time's origin and potential conclusion, we need to venture beyond our everyday human perception. Our understanding of time is limited by our experiences on Earth, but the universe operates on a vastly different scale. So let's embark on a cosmic journey to explore the scientific theories and philosophical implications surrounding the beginning and end of time. The origin of time is intrinsically linked to the birth of our universe, according to the prevailing scientific theory known as the Big Bang. The universe as we know it began approximately 13.8 billion years ago. This cataclysmic event marked not only the birth of matter and energy, but also the very fabric of space-time itself. Before the Big Bang, our current understanding of physics breaks down. It's as if time and space didn't exist in any meaningful way. This raises profound questions about what, if anything, came before the Big Bang. Some theories suggest that our universe might be part of a larger multiverse, with countless other universes existing beyond our own. In this scenario, time as we know it might have a beginning, but existence itself could be eternal. But what about the future of time? Will it continue indefinitely, or is there an end in sight? Scientists have proposed several scenarios for the ultimate fate of the universe, each with its own implications for the nature of time. One possibility is the Big Crunch. In this scenario, the expansion of the universe eventually slows down and reverses. Gravity takes over, pulling everything back together into an infinitely dense singularity, similar to the state before the Big Bang. If this were to occur, it could potentially mark the end of time as we know it. Another theory is the Big Freeze, also known as the heat death of the universe. In this scenario, the universe continues to expand forever, gradually cooling down, until it reaches a state of maximum entropy. Stars burn out, black holes evaporate, and the universe becomes a cold, dark, and essentially timeless void. A third possibility is the Big Rip. This theory suggests that the mysterious force known as dark energy, which is currently causing the universe to expand at an accelerating rate, might become so powerful that it tears apart the very fabric of space-time. In this scenario, time itself could come to an abrupt and violent end. These potential endings to the universe raise fascinating philosophical questions about the nature of time. If time has a beginning and an end, what does that mean for our understanding of existence? Are we living in a temporary bubble of time, sandwiched between two timeless states? Some physicists argue that time might not be as fundamental as we think. They propose that our perception of time as a flowing, linear progression is an illusion created by our limited human consciousness. In reality, they suggest past, present, and future might all exist simultaneously in a four-dimensional block universe. This concept challenges our intuitive understanding of cause and effect. If all moments in time exist at once, does that mean our actions are predetermined? Or does it open up the possibility of multiple timelines and parallel universes? The idea of time having a beginning or end also has profound implications for our understanding of eternity and infinity. If time is finite, what lies beyond its boundaries? Is there a state of existence outside of time? And if so, how can we even begin to comprehend it? These questions touch on the limits of human knowledge and perception. Our brains have evolved to understand time in a specific way that helps us navigate our everyday lives. But when we try to apply these concepts to the universe as a whole, we quickly run into paradoxes and mind-bending possibilities. The study of time's beginning and end also intersects with questions of consciousness and the nature of reality itself. Some philosophers argue that time is inextricably linked to conscious experience. Without an observer to perceive change and progression, does time have any meaning at all? This line of thinking leads us to even more profound questions about the nature of existence. If time is finite, does that mean the universe itself is a temporary phenomenon? And if so, what does that imply about the ultimate meaning and purpose of our existence? As we contemplate these cosmic questions, it's important to remember that our current understanding is limited by the boundaries of human knowledge. Future discoveries in physics, astronomy, and other fields may radically reshape our conception of time and the universe. For now, we can marvel at the mystery and wonder of our temporal existence. Whether time is eternal or finite, the fact that we exist in this moment, is able to contemplate these profound questions, is truly remarkable. The nature of time remains one of the ultimate cosmic questions, challenging our understanding of reality and our place in the universe. As we continue to explore and unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, we may one day find answers to these fundamental questions about the beginning and end of time itself. Until then, we can take comfort in the words of the great physicist Albert Einstein, who said, "The distinction between past, present, and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion." Perhaps the true nature of time is far more complex and beautiful than we can currently imagine. As we conclude our cosmic journey through the mysteries of time, remember that every moment is precious. Whether time has a beginning or an end, what matters most is how we choose to spend the time we have. Like, share, and subscribe to Infinitoinio.